Okay, we have a data sheet with information that's been extracted from the survey of consumers, and each one represents a tick on that survey. So we're going to focus on question one, which was age, and just to familiarize yourself with it, the respondent number one ticked the box 22 to 25 years of age. We want to get a summation of that to put in this table here. So if we go down to the bottom of the page, and I'm just going to run an auto sum and then highlight just that single column. And so we have 16 respondents, and then just simply drag that across. So we take this total, copy it, and we want to put it in here, but you'll notice that here it's horizontal, but in this table we want it vertically. So if I highlight the first cell, right click, paste special, and paste special again, it'll bring up this table, and we want to transpose, which simply means it'll paste it downwards, but the formulas. Otherwise it'll just transpose or paste the numbers and not the actual formulas, and press OK. And it doesn't